3 generations of dedicated, knowledgeable veterinarians, a family tradition of providing excellent veterinary care and service. For the Lukens family, it's a tradition that began in 1912 with Dr. Bill Lukens' grandfather and continued with his uncle. When his son Ryan graduates from the Ohio State University College of Veterinary Medicine, a century after his great-grandfather, he will become the 4th generation of veterinarians in the Lukens family. In 1958, Dr. Mike Farwick's father, the late Dr. Dan Farwick, began out of his home what would later be called Lebanon Equine Clinic. His one-doctor practice primarily served racehorses at nearby Lebanon Raceway. Dr. Mike Farwick's career began at 6 years of age, answering the phone and dispatching via two-way radio the one mobile unit from which his father worked. Soon he would be riding along on calls. Some of Dr. Farwick's clients today were his father's clients and still call him Young Doc Farwick. So began the Lebanon equine tradition of excellent veterinary care and service. This generation of Dr. Lukens and Farwick have been joined by Dr. Scott Stroh-Snyder, Dr. Derek McFadden, and Dr. Brian McNabb as owners of our clinics. Today, Lebanon Equine Clinic is the largest equine facility in the region with 6 doctors, a fully equipped surgical suite, and a 6-stall hospital. Our clinic also has a 4-stall boarding barn and turnout paddocks. Repeated requests for care for small animals led to the opening of our sister clinic, the Lebanon Small Animal Clinic, in 2008. Lebanon Small Animal Clinic was designed specifically for the comfort of you and your pets. 6 examination rooms mean little interaction with other pets. From wellness care to surgical services to behavioral issues, our caring, compassionate staff is knowledgeable and eager to provide the best care for your pets. Our clinic's state-of-the-art diagnostic equipment enables your doctor to develop the best treatment plan for you and your pet. Our in-house lab provides vital test results in just minutes, when minutes are critical. Our pharmacy offers clients phone-in or email prescription refills. Established clients have peace of mind knowing their doctor is just a phone call away whenever an emergency happens. When the Small Animal Clinic was planned, an expansion of our equine facility was included, adding a 6-stall hospital wing, treatment room, and an isolation stall. What makes Lebanon Equine Clinic unique? It's our staff, our facilities, the services offered, and the doctors who offer them. Our hospital enables us to accept referrals and admit cases that require around-the-clock monitoring and complete intensive care, including IV fluid therapy, non-surgical colic cases, neonatal care, and isolation cases. Lebanon Equine Clinic has a fully equipped surgical suite for orthopedic and soft tissue surgeries. Our surgical teams specialize in orthopedic procedures such as arthroscopy, bone fragment removal, and periosteal stripping. Soft tissue surgeries include upper airway procedures, crypt orchids, hernias, and neurectomies. For farm calls, your doctor and his technician arrive in a fully stocked mobile clinic with digital ultrasound and X-ray equipment that provide instant diagnostic images. Diagnosing and treating lameness is one of our specialties. Lebanon Equine Clinic is one of the few clinics offering the latest advancements in the treatment of soft tissue injuries. Platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, and stem cell therapies are reducing healing time, especially when combined with extracorporeal shockwave therapy. Many of our equine reproductive services are available at your barn. More complicated procedures, such as embryo transfer, are best performed in the controlled environment of our clinic. Lebanon Equine Clinic offers acupuncture as a complement to traditional veterinary medicine. Emergency service is available 24/7 to any horse, current patient or not, that can be transported to our clinic. Emergency farm calls are available 24/7 to our current clients. At Lebanon Equine Clinic, we believe in wellness care and preventative medicine. Our clinic offers vaccination and deworming programs, dental services, geriatric care, pre-purchase exams, nutrition consultation, and screenings for metabolic syndromes.
I'm Dr. Bill Lukens, inviting you to stop by and meet our doctors and staff. We believe that veterinary medicine is who we are, and we are proud of our long history of knowledgeable veterinarians and caring support staff.